Back of your mat. I love my plank walk. Let's walk it out, slight bend in the knees. Go ahead, walk your arms out to a plank. Good, just breathe, nice and easy. You're gonna walk it back up and then reach your arms above your head. And we're just seeing how that body.
Crazy, took my hair out, so it's time to make some breakfast. Today is Sunday. We made it. I took my hair out and I need to wash it. It looked pretty yesterday. Don't judge me. It looked really pretty yesterday. Not long. So I'm about to make some breakfast, maybe some eggs and turkey bacon. So I'll get back with you guys.
And then HelloFresh has got you covered with quick, easy to make, delicious meals.
What's good, guys? This is the real life, not leaving the house type of situation going on here, so don't judge me. But I'm about to, so I ordered on Instacart because I am not leaving my house. I haven't left my house all weekend and I'm just not doing it. I'm just not. So I'm thinking about making some chicken again and some string beans for work, and then I'm gonna heat up my leftover Quest pizza, eat that way I have it, and make that stuff. And I gotta do some laundry. But the exciting news is my son's comic book is available, so I've been working on that, making sure I get that out there. I decided to release it today because my son was born on a Sunday, and I actually found out the first day of his life, which was a Monday, that he had congenital heart defects. And I know I look crazy, but don't, please, this is serious. But no, he had congenital heart defects, and if you don't know what that means, it basically means you have short and simple problems with your heart. My son had he had a heart murmur, and a hole in his heart. So as the months were going on, his heart was increasing in size with the hole. So he ended up having to have heart surgery in 2013. So he was what, I had him in 2011, so he was like 1.5, not even 2 yet, when he had open heart surgery. So I created a brand called Heart Armor, which I do have videos on my channel discussing this, but just in case if you want to hear a recap on it. And I created a brand around it. First off, let's see if the pizza even look any good. How about that? Yeah. So I'm gonna keep it on this lemon oil. And I'm gonna put it in a bowl to make it taste better again. So look, now you see it, and then now you're gonna see what it look like. Look how good those look. Oh yes, baby. And I decided to cook turkey burgers as well for tomorrow, so that way I don't have to worry about it because my daughter has ballet. So it's done. Made it like this. Hey guys, today's Tuesday. I didn't get to vlog yesterday because by the time I got home, it was just really tired. It was late and I had to work on a client's budget, so I didn't have time to check in with you guys. Yesterday was my rest day. I ate healthy. We went out to eat to celebrate my daughter's observation day at ballet before she has her big recital in June. And we went to Texas Roadhouse, and I didn't even get to eat because our food took absolutely long, so we ended up leaving. We were waiting like an hour and a half just to eat, and it was ridiculous. People around us were getting their food before us, and I left. I was like, I'm not. This is not how you run a business. You know, you have to let people know things. We kept asking, then the waiter was like, oh, you didn't get your food? And we're like, no, we've been sitting here close to 2 hours and we haven't gotten anything. And we had our kids, so it was just a complete mess, and I had to come straight home and start working on a client's budget. So today I got off early because my job had an electrical problem, so I ended up going to the gym super early, thank gosh. I'm just getting back in because I went to go visit my grandparents. Their marker is finally placed at their gravesite, so I wanted to go double check just to make sure that people weren't lying to me. So it was actually placed today. I've been doing really good. I finally got the hang of my low-carb pancakes, so I've been eating that for breakfast for the past 2 days. I've been having my cheat, getting my dairy in there. And for lunch today, I just kind of did like a protein bar because I was kind of on the go. So I'm not really sure what I'll eat for dinner, but it just goes to show, cook at home, y'all. Cook at home, or hurry up and find somewhere else. So things are going. I actually have to upload the vlog, so this, you'll be seeing this next week, not this week, from what I'm about to upload. So yeah, it's just life busy, and I have to work on a client's budget, and then have a meeting tonight with my other client that I was working on yesterday, so we can go over her budget stuff. So it's been really busy. I've been really freaking busy. So guys, it's a little later, so I did everything that I said I needed to do. So now I'm about to make a snack. Y'all know this is my snack. And then I'm gonna eat some leftover turkey burgers. And that's pretty much it. I had these earlier. I had one earlier. I said these, just one. So that's there. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm about to watch me 600-Pound Life. I'm so addicted to that show. My husband says it's depressing, but you know, I'm the type of person that stories just inspire me, because you just never know what someone is going through and the reasons why they got to where they are. Because I know firsthand, like after high school, like when I started gaining weight, you know, I didn't feel like I was beautiful. I just was depressed. And you know, you just gain weight, and like then I had my son. So yeah, it's like sometimes, you know, life just hits you. And no, I wasn't 600 pounds, but damn, I was 300, and that was big for me. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. I'm off today. Not sure if I told you guys what happened in yesterday's vlog. I don't think I really vlogged a lot, but because I'm trying to do like every other day, and then sometimes I forget that I'm still doing every other day, so I just pick it up anyway. Yeah, I don't know. We're going to get the hang of this again. I just want to keep giving you guys good content, that's all, and try not to overthink it. But long story short, my job didn't have ventilation, so of course we can't be in there because it'll be extremely hot and no air, heat or whatever circulating. It was so hot in there, and it was like what, 40 degrees outside, and it was extremely hot when we were in work yesterday when I got released. So I don't have work today. So the plan is relax until about 10:30. I'm gonna catch up on some YouTube, catch up on emails, then hit the gym. Then after the gym, I have to take my dog to the groomers, and then while he's in the groomers, I'm going to go to the bank to get a new debit card because someone hacked my account from Cash App. So if you use Cash App, unlink your card, because someone tried to get $130 from me all the way in California. Yeah, I don't know why you want to take my money. I don't have any to give you. So yeah, and the thing that made me mad is it was like it processed like 10 transactions of $10, and then like after that the lady didn't even block my card. I had to call back, and they got like $30 more off me, so they got a total of $130. It's ridiculous, ridiculous. But anywho, I'm off, I'm blessed, so we won't complain. So I got to do that, and then I have to do some shopping for tomorrow because, you know, I'm going to New York, me and the hubby, and I need to get my kids some extra things because I don't know where their socks go. I'm like, what, do y'all eat them up or something? So yeah, I need to get them some little things and get me some stuff that I want to grab and take with me just to treat myself, because it's been a week, okay? It's been a week. So I just wanted to jump on here and update you. I had 2 turkey sausages. Told you guys before, I'm not really a breakfast eater, but that is what I ate. So now I'm just about to chill until about 10:30. I'll let you guys know how my workout went, what I did, and all that a little later. So I'll check you guys out later.